Introducing the sleek and stylish 2020 Seat Ateca 1.6tdi 115 horsepower XC plus 5-door in grey. This versatile estate car comes with a plethora of comfort and safety features, making every journey a breeze. With a spacious interior, Bluetooth connectivity, and satellite navigation, you'll always stay connected and on track. The advanced security features like ABS and collision avoidance braking ensure your peace of mind on the road. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can drive with confidence. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to learn more about this exceptional vehicle.